Hello and welcome to the channel. In this video I will show you the best tools to trade meme coins on Solana and why you should use them. The first tool, of course, if you want to trade meme coins, is a wallet with some Solana in it. I recommend the Phantom wallet because it's the most popular wallet. The next thing you need is a decentralized exchange. I would not trade meme coins on Binance or Coinbase because they don't have all the newest meme coins. You can use Bullex, which is a very popular trading exchange for meme coins. Or you can also use Photon. Photon is also a very good trading exchange. Or you can use Autosnipe. If you want to know how to use all these exchanges, you can find some videos on my channel where I'll explain to use them. And if you use my links in the description below, you can get 10% discount on all your trading fees. Especially for Bullex. If you want to join Bullex, you need to sign up for a waiting list with over 100,000 people. So if you use my link, you can get instant access to Bullex and you don't have to wait. Another option to trade meme coins is by using a Telegram bot. My favorite Telegram bots are the BonkBot, which I have made a video about. And another bot I use regularly is TradeWiz bot. These Telegram bots are great if you want to trade on your mobile phone or your iPad, or if you don't have access to your exchange on your computer. The next tool you need if you want to trade meme coins at an advantage is a wallet tracker. I recommend the Ray Blue wallet tracker. It's free to use and you can add up to 10 wallets to the tracker. A wallet tracker is very handy if you want to know which wallets are buying which coins, and you get a notification in your Telegram. You can also find profitable wallets in the GNGN website. You can not only track profitable wallet, you can also do research and find out which coins are interesting to buy. Check out my video if you want to know how to use the website and see how I use it to track profitable wallets. Cielo is another free website that you can use to do research and find good wallets to copy. And of course, we also use Dexscreener. Dexscreener is a powerful analytics tool that tracks real-time data for meme coins and other tokens. So it helps you to monitor and compare prices across multiple trading pairs, and you can quickly find out details about a certain meme coin, such as liquidity, the price, the volume, and the market cap, and so on. These are the basic tools you need to become a better trader. I have all the links for these downloads and tools in the description below, so check them out. If you have any questions or feedback, drop them in the comments below or join my meme coin calls Telegram community. I hope you enjoyed this short video. Give it a thumbs up. It really helps my channel to reach more people. And if you haven't already done, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so I can alert you when I make a new video. Trade smart and have a profitable day. Bye bye.